Hi everyone, it's Mara. And if you're new to my channel, I do sewing videos like upcycling clothes, turning old clothes into trendy one. And for today's video, I made this cute dress that I thrifted for $1 or 50 pesos in Philippines. I really like its print because it looks vintage and I'm so happy how it turned out. And without further ado, let's get started in this video. So this is the dress that I thrifted and it looks old style, so I transformed it into my style. The print is so lovely, so first that I did, I seam ripped the lace and the mesh in the neckline and in the armhole and use it for later. Then I fold the dress facing the side as a center and then pin the armholes and the other part so when I cut it, it won't move. I want this dress to look fit on me, so I pinch the excess fabric in the sides and pin it through the hips. Then I'm adding a straight line in the markings, then fold it in half and do the same in the other side. So right now I'm just copying the pins where they are so they are even when I sew it. Then I resew the sides to make it wider because my first seam is too fit to me, so I have to seam rip it again and do the same in the other side. Now I'm just cutting the excess fabric and hem the raw edges with this zigzag stitch. Then I lay it flat and fold it, and I resize the armhole to make it a little wider and cutting it through the back. After that, I reuse the lace that I seam ripped before in the armhole and in the neckline and use it as my new neckline. Then I sew together all the lace as one by placing the right side together into perpendicular and sew it in a diagonal. Then I pin the lace in the neckline by doing a sandwich and I cut the lace in half that I sew together and pin it starting from the back and through the armhole that connects this strap. And sew it with a straight stitch. I started sewing in the neckline before the center back. After that, I pin the strap in the back and sew it with a straight stitch.
Then I wear it to check the fit. So I decided to have a scrunch in the side and I just sew it with a straight stitch.